This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So I think we are talking about variables, right, guys? We started variable concept. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So we completed text processing tools. I hope everybody practiced well because text processing tools are very, very important. So in which situations we have to use, you should know that. Now the next topic is variables. Okay. So what is variable? Why do we need a variable? I will give you one scenario, guys. Can you please open home loan calculator? Yeah, I will explain. So here, can you please change the values? Loan amount, tenure, bottom, all the values, right? Yeah. See, guys, here this is the home loan calculator. So based on the values, you are getting the results. Actually, in that website, one program is there for that. I'm not saying it is a shell script, but it can be anything else. Python program, you can have Java program, maybe shell script, any language. But one program is there for this calculator. Okay, now. So only one program. See, whenever I change my values, I'm getting the different results. So how it is possible? The same program. Okay, actually they haven't written different program for each user, each value. The same program they are just reusing by changing the value. So how it is possible means it is because of variable, guys. So variable means example there will be some formula like to find out EMI for this calculation. So wherever loan amount value should be there, we call with dollar loan amount. So this value instead of value, what we do? We call it as dollar loan amount, and wherever tenure is required, we don't give the value in the program. We give dollar tenure. Okay. Then wherever we need interest rate, we give the value instead of the interest rate. Okay, we'll give as dollar interest rate, and we pass those values in different ways. So variable values can be defined in many ways. Okay. So whenever the user is giving these values are passed to that program, and where loan amount is there, this value will be replaced. So guys, these are keep on changing. If I don't have this variable concept, I should create a fixed program with for every value. I should create one separate program. Very difficult. But now same program I'm reusing. So there is variable concept is that only. We can reuse our program without changing the configuration. I no need to keep on open the file and modify the data. So one time definition and I can reuse that program. So example, can you please open your place? Okay. So now I will write a shell script. So in last class I showed you how to run my shell script. Okay, I'm creating one sample shell script now. So generally we use .sh as an extension. Okay. So what is this, guys? What is the purpose of this? What it is? It is called as shebang sequence. Shebang. Shebang sequence. We call it as. So it is an interpreter which shell I have to use to run this. So expression is the command, guys, for calculator in Linux. Example, I'm writing this, guys. Okay, so different calculations I'm doing here. So as I told, this is one program. So what is the mandatory thing I have to do, guys? First, so it should be executable. Then only I can run. Let me run it. I don't have executable permission now. It will throw an error. See, permission denied. Compulsory execute permission I should have first step. Okay, na? Now I can check it. See, execute permission. Now I can run. Now, actually, my program is having variables. I should define them. Sorry. I should define the variables, guys. See, always remember dollar prefix with any string or any number means any character means that is a variable. Dollar prefix undante as variable. Guys, dollar A, dollar B. Both are variables now. Okay, na. So how to define them? Variable definition we can define in many ways, guys. One by one I will show you. So first, local variable. Local variable means within the file. A equals to 5, B equals to 10. Okay, na? Local variable within the file I can define. Before that, just a minute. Let me send a notes also. For this. In my Google Drive also it will be there already. But guys, I hope you are looking into my Google Drive also. Yeah, I just forwarded, guys. And one more thing, guys, immediately don't send messages, guys. I mean, before class starts, always wait for at least 5 minutes. Okay, and unnecessary messages, right? Those are like not started, something like that. Please don't send immediately. Please wait for 5 minutes. After that only, by the time mostly I will start it. Okay, but please wait at least 5 minutes. If class is not there, definitely I will tell you. And every day, don't send these kind of messages. Class not started, meeting not working. Okay, now. Please wait for 5 minutes. After that only, please send it. I send it in other groups. Right? Okay, so this is called as local variable, guys, within the file. Okay, so like this. Maybe when do we use local variable mean? If it is not a frequency, change is there, but not a frequency. Okay, now multiple times I can, maybe I want to use the same value. Only like later I want to change this value. Not every time. Multiple times I want to use the same values. Then I will go with local variable. Okay. So now let me run my shell script. So second one I'm getting. Yeah, I got it. Why it is? So actually in Linux, star symbol means all. Okay, now but here in calculation also we have this star symbol. So it is not understanding. It is taking as a Linux symbol. That's the reason we got the error. Now I want to ignore it. Yeah. So what this symbol will do, it will ignore the star symbol as Linux command. Okay, now it is part of expression command now, not Linux command. Okay, now as I told, in Linux, star is nothing but all. Okay, now so it is taking as a all instead of calculation symbol. Instead of multiply symbol, it is taking as a all. That's the reason we got the error. So I ignored by using this backslash. Okay, now so now it will work. Yeah. See guys. Okay, now I ran my program. So wherever $A is there, okay, now $A is nothing but A is the variable. What is the value of A? 5. Guys, $A is nothing but 5 now. What is $B? 10. Okay, now dollar B is nothing but 10. Always remember, guys, if any character or number or string, okay, prefix with dollar means variable. Now A is the variable, B is the variable. So before running this program, compulsory I have to define them. There are multiple ways we can define our values. This is one of the way. Local variable. When do we go with local variable? If it is not a frequent change. Maybe I'm not talking about this calculation, but some other program also. Example date. Let's take date variable. Okay, now. So in my program, somewhere I'm using date. So today I will run this program number of times, maybe 20 times. The date variable never change today, but tomorrow it will change. So that is what frequent change. Sorry, sometimes change, not every day, not every time. So that kind of variable you can go local. Okay, now maybe 30 times. Like today I'm running. So only tomorrow I have to change that. So why should I go like every time definition? Simple local. I will go with local variable. I no need to change complete day. Only tomorrow I will change. Okay, na? That is what local variable. Now the next thing is runtime variable. Okay, na? Second type of variable, guys. What is echo command? Hello, guys. What is echo command?
It prints the message.
Printing purpose.
I'm sorry.
It prints the message.
Yes, you are right. So whatever the message you give, that message it will print. Okay, good. So now I'm printing. Please provide value for A. Please provide so read command will read your values, guys, in the runtime. Okay, now. So while running my program, it will ask you. This is second type of variable, guys. Okay, so this is second type of variable. Can you please provide whatever the value you need for A? Avinas, any value, your wish. Enter. Yeah, go ahead. Enter. Sorry?
I can't understand the value being.
You can give anything. Example 50. You guys, wherever dollar A is there, it will take 200. For dollar B, 50. See, this is plus. This is multiply. This is divided by this is minus. See? So read value will take runtime variable, guys. So one program, okay, it will take the values. It will ask user. This is second type of variable. Runtime variable. Read command. Echo command executed. Then this is read command to type your value. So I type that value, whatever I need. Now again echo command. Now this is echo command. Then $A is there. Okay, na? So $A, $B will be replaced with these two values. Example. See, plus multiply divided by minus. Okay, so I no need to touch my program, guys. See, without touching my program, I'm able to reuse it. Same home loan calculator, guys. Okay. So home loan calculator also that this kind of program only. Okay. So Sandeep is saying that I'm getting, sorry, you is getting disturbance. Is it for everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute, guys. Okay. What about now?
Okay, sir.
Sorry, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, in between also, if you have any problem, please let me know without fail. Actually, I'm still in hometown. That's a problem. Okay, just bear with me 2 3 days more. But let me know if you have any problem again. Okay. So see here, I'm reusing my program. Okay, now this is runtime variable, guys. Okay, now this is called as runtime variable. So while running your program, it will ask you read command. By using read command, I can provide runtime variable. Now the third type of variable is there, guys. So your wish, guys, based on your requirement, you can go with any way. So this is the third type of variable, guys. Okay, now. So we call it as a positional parameter, guys. We call it as a positional parameter. Okay, now. Like this. In command line, I can provide my values. With the script itself, with okay, now in command line, I can provide my values.
Okay. So this is called as $1. అంటే 1 కన్నా ముందు డాలర్ ఉంది కదా, ఇది ఫస్ట్ పొజిషనల్ పారామీటర్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పొజిషనల్ పారామీటర్ and this is the second positional parameter. And if you have 3, 4, 5, we can call them as $3, $4, $5. This is $0, guys. Your script name, we can call it as $0. If you need your script name inside your program anywhere, we can call it as $0. Okay, this is $1. This is $2. అంటే డాలర్ wherever $1 is there, replaced with 5, the first value. ఓకేనా, $2 positional parameter 2. Next, if you have 3, 4, 5, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, like this, you can use any number, guys. ఓకేనా. So see, this is called as positional parameter. So while running my program, I can use. See, so based on my values, I'm getting my results. I'm not changing at all. I mean, my program. Without opening my program, I'm reusing it because I have variables. Okay, now. So see here, $1 means 62. So A equals to 62 now. Okay, now. So now B equals to 45. Okay. See, wherever $A is there, what is the $1 value? 62, right? So 62. Okay, now guys. So A equals to ఏమవుతుంది 62. B equals to 45. That means $A is also 62. Okay, now $B is nothing but 45. Okay, so this is how positional parameter works. This is the third type of variable, guys. So this many ways we can provide our variables. Okay, now even from commands also you can get the like variables, guys. We can call it as command variables. Can you please open my notes, Avinash? Not this one. Just now I given one note set, that note. WhatsApp notes.
Okay, sir.
So guys, I hope you got the clarity. What is variable? Understood, guys? వేరియబుల్ అంటే అర్థమైందా, ఎందుకు వాడతాం అనేది? So you need more practice also. This is common topic, guys, in every tool. We have same topic in different places. Okay, na? So Linux also, shell script also, Docker also, Kubernetes also, Ansible also. Okay, now everywhere you have this variable concept. Common variable means to reuse. For reusable purpose, we use this variable. Okay, na? So I told 3 types of variables till now. Now fourth one is memory related. Okay, now example, command related out. Example, I'm writing one more variable, one more file now. Before that, Let's make it in command line. So guys, here I need a memory. Okay, now how much memory I have? I think I already told you. How can I get that, guys? From this output, only memory value I need, available value. I don't want all this stuff. What should I do, guys? Which processing tool I have to use?
Grep.
First of all, I can see 3 lines, but my value is there in only 1 line. So this line I need. How many ways I can get this line, guys? Multiple ways I have. Okay, first with the grep, I will show. This is one way. What are the other ways, guys? What are the other ways I can get the same line, only middle line?
Using AWK.
No. AWK is not to get the middle line. Now my question is, I need this second line in this output.
Command.
How many ways I can get it? This is
Got
one
it.
way. If you have any unchanged value, you by using that value, I can grep it. That is one way. One more way is head hyphen n2.
Tail hyphen n1.
Yeah. Then tail hyphen n. This is one way. Okay, na? This is one more way, guys. This is one way. This is one more way. And reverse also I can use. Tail command. So this is one. This is one way. This is second way. See, guys, 3 ways. Like this, you have to think, guys. How can I get that value? నాకు కావాల్సిన line or else whatever the desired value I need. How can I get it? That line or that particular value, that particular column. You have to think in different ways. See, same output I can get it by using 3 ways. Maybe if I think, still I can, maybe I may have multiple, some other ways also. Okay, now. So this is how, like, you have to think. Whenever you get one requirement, think in multiple ways. Think the logic. So anyone I can use now, but whichever is comfortable to me, I will go. This is the best. Very easy in one step. So I'll go with this one only. Now I can use the AWK command. AWK. See, guys, entire shell script, we use this text processing tools and variables only, guys. Remember. Okay, now if you don't understand your text processing tools and variable concept, that's it. You cannot write down shell script. Because entire shell script, we use those 10 commands plus variable concept. Trust me. And 1 2 topic extra, like if condition, for loop. That's it. Okay. So now AWK. Tell me, guys, tell me the syntax. Tell me the syntax, guys.
Hyphen capital F.
Hyphen capital F.
Field
What is the
separator
delimiter?
space.
What is the delimiter?
Space.
Exactly. Space is the delimiter. Okay. Now
Print.
print
$7.
dollar. So which number? So how many times I have my variable that space? Because space I'm using, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times I have. So that means this is the $7. Okay, I got my value. Now maybe in shell script how I will use. Okay, now I'm writing now. Can you copy that line? Actually, I'm not able to copy. Copy this line. Copy that line and no, don't paste here. Control C. Control C. Both are commands only. Have it work? Avinash, do Control C. Control Z. Yeah. So VI. So mem dot one shell script I'm creating. Now can you please copy that line and paste it inside a file? Yeah. So guys, now I'm going to show you command line output. Okay. Example, I want to print something message like what is my memory, available memory. Okay, now so mem equals to, let me go to that mode. So this bash mem equals to, okay, but it is a command. It's not a word or it's not a syntax, right? Direct I cannot give like this. Okay, now so here I have to use backquote, guys. So guys, backquote means it's not a single quote. Remember, single quote is different, backquote is different, guys. So it is there beside number one. Tilde symbol is there, right? In the same key, you have this backquote, guys. It's not a single quote. Guys, remember, when do we use backquotes means? Here, I want to assign the value of this to memory. Okay, now. So in that case, I have to use backquotes. Within the backquotes, I have to run my command. So my system will understand, oh, this is the command. First, this command will be executed. Guys. Then that value assigned to memory or whatever the key you given. Now echo available memory is $mem. So guys, here what is $mem? Okay, first this command will be executed. Okay, that output will be stored into mem, And now next this command will be executed. The available memory is $mem means this value will be printed. So first time, right? I should execute. I should make execute mode. Then see guys, this is called as output variable. Okay, now from output, first I'm running my command. From that output, that output I saved into one variable, and I'm using that variable. Okay, now from commands also you can generate the variables, guys, like this. Okay, from commands also I can generate like this. Okay, example. I'll show one more example. Let's take. So how can I find out user details, guys? How can I find out user details? How many users I have in my system? What should I do?
/etc/password.
Exactly. Okay, only that line I'm giving. Example user ID I want. Okay, na? Can you please copy this line? Don't enter immediately. First open the file. No, no, don't pay. That is what I said. Oh, first open the file, then after paste it. Don't type in command line. First user dot sh. No, no. va user dot sh. Set mode. Now I need that. Okay. As it is the command, what I have to do? I have to give in within the backports. Always remember this, guys. Then only it will work. Now I have a task for you guys. Actually, here I hard coded my username. So guys, my shell script should take this user name as a variable. What should I do, guys? How can I pass? I don't want to hardcode this username also. Okay, now username it should ask. I should provide while running my script. What should I do? So I can go with
Variable.
either command positional parameter or else
Command.
runtime variable. So let's make it as a variable. Dollar user. So wherever user is there, please use dollar. Because I don't want to go with particular user. It is my wish. Okay, now first we'll go with runtime variable. Echo, please provide user details. Read user. Okay. Now first this command will be executed. So now it will be prompted for your input. So whatever you provide, that will be stored as user. User equals to that value. Now wherever dollar user is there, that value will be replaced. So example root. Root user ID is this. Wait, I think we are prepping with username, right? So, can you copy paste this one and run this command? Only no, only within that back. I don't need backfoot. Remove backfoot. That's what I said. Don't execute. Just type. Remove back. Here also let's do it. For root user, it's giving multiple values. Why I'm showing now. Two lines you are getting. That's the problem. Okay, na? So two lines you are getting. That is the reason it is showing like. My question is, I need only this line when I search because this is the correct line. How can I get it, guys? Think logic one. I need only
Grape
this
hyphen
line.
W.
Huh?
Grape hyphen W will tell that.
But this is also root only, right? Here,
But if you
second
are
line. No, example, when W works means test tester.
exact,
If you search with test, you will get only test with hyphen W. Right. Here both are root only. W won't work out. Guys, think the logic once. See W not working. Any other maybe logic I can use? Head tail I cannot use. Why? Because here how can you know that? here two users will be there with the same name. Okay, now because not only think for this line, this user, you have other users also, right? You should have a common logic. Think logic here. How can I get this line? Only this line I need. It doesn't matter. So always the username will be at the beginning, right? Now what should I do?
The caret operator will be give that.
Exactly. Caret symbol. So maybe W hyphen W also we can keep it. Why? Because maybe later point of time you may have test to tester, both users Amar Amarinder. Right, W hyphen W also we will keep along with the caret symbol. Now we'll get only one. Okay, na? So this works now. Now let me open my user. So guys, this is how you have to think the logic, guys. So while running only, you will get this kind of logic. Hyphen W caret symbol. Now it should work. See? Okay. So this is how command line variable, guys. Command line output. Command output. Output variable it is. Okay. Now first we are running one command, and that output we are storing into my command, or my variable. Then here, how many types of variables I am using in this, guys? In this, how many types of variables I am using in this particular shell script? Huh? One is runtime variable. One more is command line variable. Sorry, output variable. So first, this line will be executed. So then it will prompt you to provide this user value. Then whatever you give, I given root. So user equals to root now. It will go to this line. First backcodes, within the backcode, whatever you have, it will execute. So here dollar symbol is there again. So dollar user means root. Okay, na? So this command will be executed. That value will be stored in user underscore ID. Then it will go to this line. Dollar user means your root user ID is this value. This is how we work with the variables there. Okay, now this is output variable. From output also, okay, so you can generate the variables like this. So I hope you got the clarity now. Is it right, guys? Hello, guys. I hope you got the clarity now. What is variable? Please try to practice more, guys. Practice is very, very important. Without practice, you cannot understand this. Okay, na? Then tomorrow we'll write more other types of programs. Okay, na, guys? So you can understand. So tomorrow I will give you the tasks also in shell script. Is it okay, guys? Please practice more. Yeah. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Okay, guys.